Good morning, and welcome to the future of the mobility industry. I give you the Buick Enclave. Rear entry, automatic vehicle. This is going to be for anybody out there that wants a sexy, stylish mobility vehicle and does not want to have to drive the vehicle. It comes with a 35-inch ramp. The bottom of that ramp, you can't tell, but that's stainless steel. Our pans and our floor pans and are made out of aluminized steel. Two great things about that is that if you live in Michigan or anywhere that gets snow or ice, you will not have any kind of rust happening over the course of the lifetime of this vehicle. If you come on in here, we put in deluxe small captain seats. It gives you 17 inches on each side, enough to fit a child seat. But it also gives you 24 inches in between to fit your wheelchairs. So you can actually fit 2 people in here, one in the middle and one in the rear. You're not going to see any of these outside of Freedom Motors because nobody else has the ability to make them, because nobody else has the imagination that Freedom Motors does.